Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare the Lexus RCF versus the BMW E92 M3. Let's dive into their core performance differences right away. The Lexus RCF boasts a powerful 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8, delivering 472 horsepower. Meanwhile, the BMW E92 M3 counters with a high-revving 4.0-liter naturally aspirated V8, producing 414 horsepower. Both vehicles offer a thrilling V8 experience, but with different characteristics. When it comes to driving dynamics, these two cars offer distinct philosophies. The Lexus RCF generally provides a more refined and comfortable ride, making it an excellent grand tourer that can still perform. In contrast, the BMW E92 M3 is known for its raw, visceral, and highly engaging driving experience, often praised for its direct steering and communicative chassis. The M3 feels more like a track-ready machine, while the RCF leans towards a luxurious sports coupe. Inside, the Lexus RCF presents a more modern and luxurious cabin, often equipped with a 10.3-inch multimedia screen and premium materials. The BMW E92 M3, while still upscale, has a more driver-centric and less overtly luxurious interior, reflecting its performance heritage. Both cars, being two-door coupes, have somewhat limited rear seat practicality, making them better suited for two occupants with occasional rear passengers or extra cargo. Choosing between these two depends on your priorities. The Lexus RCF offers a compelling package of reliable V8 power, modern luxury, and comfortable daily drivability. The BMW E92 M3, on the other hand, is a true enthusiast's car, revered for its high-revving V8 and unparalleled driving engagement, though it may come with more maintenance considerations. And speaking of smart choices, there's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.